you can see, this my cat play video, everything here in TV. With this device, you can send wireless display from phone or PC to HD TV. Hey everyone, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. In this video, I show you how to send wirelessly video from your phone or PC to HD TV. As you can see, different types wireless display here, but we introduce and learning how to use this device, Mira Screen G9 4K. Let's go to introduce and test this device. Okay, my friend, as you can see, every wireless display have this device with the HDMI output connector here, you can see, and this device for power input with the micro USB connector and with USB, and this is a wireless receiver. For use this device, you can read this, use it with phone or pad and PC for HD display, wireless movie, TV show and music, video, audio, phone, photo and more. For start, you need to connect this connector for power. As you can see here, this is input power 5 volt. I try connect this here, that's good. For 5 volt power supply, you should use this USB port. You can use mobile charger 5 volt 2A like this, or USB port from your TV. I use USB port my TV here, that's good. Now you should connect HDMI port G9 Mira Screen to input HDMI TV. Okay, my friend, as you can see, LED turn it on. Okay, my friend, as you can see, menu from Mira Screen J9 in my TV. As you can see, SSID Mira Screen and Mira Screen code and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here QR code for downloading EZMira from App Store or Google Play. This device supports Android and Windows and iOS and Mac OS. For this video, we try connect with the Android phone. As you can see, before this I download and set up EZMira app here, as you can see, in my phone. First, you need connect Wi-Fi to Mira Screen J9. You can see here Mira Screen J9 here. I try connect Mira Screen. That's good. You can see here need a password. Password here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Connect. As you can see here, change here. Connecting now Wi-Fi from my phone to Mira Screen receiver. Okay, that's good. You can see here Mira Screen into EZMira app. I try connect Mira Screen. Now you should touch here. That's good. Miracast, Chromecast, and connect. That's good. Now you can see Mira screen here in Cast EZMira. Connecting. Now I try connect to this TV wirelessly here. As you can see, connect my phone to TV. For example, I try play video. Okay, you can see this my cat play video, everything here in TV. For other example, I try play this video now. As you can see, I can control volume here, and you can see the best quality here, the best quality video from my phone wirelessly to HD TV. For new Android phone, you can use a smart view. You can use a smart view. You don't need EZMira application. You can use a smart view here. That's good. You can see here Mira screen code, Mira screen code.